All right, chat. You know what time it is? It's 7:34 p.m. over here. That means I've got about 2.5 hours, less than that, to get back on the grind for this game dev PirateSoftware C Sharp grind. So, I mean, what else can I do really? And just give it a try. I'll be playing some music. Um, and just hope for the best. So I'm gonna like before. Um, Here we'll start off with this song. It's called Let's Fly Away. Alright, let's do this. You know, I don't think I'm really. Should open another window for Spotify. That'd be really cute. Let's do that. I'll open another window for yeah, so oh wait, maybe I can crop it. Properties. Cancel. No, I want filters. Add crop pad. Wait, it doesn't even show the progress bar. Huh. Oh, you know what I could do? I could do a different crop pad. Let's just do it like, let's just crop it from the top a whole bunch. Okay. So, analytics, real-time card, live count. Live stream's going right, yeah, okay, good. Hello, Kata Cat. Just need this to work. Okay. Okay, wait. YouTube, your videos. It's probably YouTube. Yeah, YouTube's video. Studio. Analytics. Real-time card. I just want to open up real-time card. Overview tab.
Step into Wix Studio.
Bro, I'm about to rage quit.
Hey folks, I'm Rob. Welcome back to vidIQ. Very recently, I told all of you that subscribers...
Please, I just need help.
Studio on the dashboard, you will already see your exact subscriber count, but it's not live. So go to Analytics, and on the real-time panel on the right-hand side, you will see your subscriber count. This is in real time, but it's not very fancy. So YouTube have...
Oh... Live count. Here we go, okay. Yeah, this is what I want. We're gonna make this a separate tab. Okay, now I've got two tabs open. This one... You gotta minimize. Oh my gosh, you gotta minimize all these. Okay. Let's open them up. Another. Window capture. We're gonna select Chrome Channel Analytics. Yeah, I'm way flat lines. Yikes. Okay, let's just ignore this. Crop pad. That's good. I think what we want here is just move these over. Okay. Now I've got everything set up here. Okay. Let's actually shrink this a lot. Okay. No, why isn't this updating? No, it's not updating. Oh, it's because I gotta refresh. Okay. You know what? Let me make another text. How do I duplicate this? We're gonna rename this.
There's a distance between us. It's getting hard to reach out. Haven't seen you in seasons, but all I hear is your voice. I know my limits, you can break me down, but I'll stay till the finish line. And I've been counting minutes for quite some time now, just to see you again. And I've been counting days to get away, to see you again, see you again. Been finding ways to get away, to see you again.
Alright, that's fine.
We got millions of reasons.
Doesn't look very good.
Let it all go. Hope we're not too broken. I know I'm not always strong. And I've been counting days to get away, to see you again, see you again. Been finding ways to get away, to see you again, see you again.
I think the color is a bit jarring. Let's make it. Does the pink look good here? I don't think it looks good. That's a bit too much though. I might change the color. I just feel like pink is too attention grabbing. So jarring, like. Yeah, that doesn't look. Bro, why can't. How do I turn scale? How do I turn snapping off? I'm just gonna look it up. How to turn snapping off in OBS. Oh, just hold down space? Yeah. Bro, what the heck? I'm going crazy. File settings, general. We're just gonna disable it. Oh, it's off by 1 pixel. Is it off? It's off by 1 pixel. I don't. It's off by 1 pixel! Bro, whatever. No, I don't want to watch the Xbox Hub. I can't even look at this. It's literally off by a pixel. Can I manually change the size? Just gonna add a transform. Is it rounding it? I'm about to crash out. You know what? I'm just gonna make it smaller. I'm gonna give it a border. There we go. That's better. How does that look on stream? It's really pixelated, that's the thing. looks good. Okay, 2 hours left, huh? Euro viewers. Okay. Okay. Oh, I gotta mute this. Hey, 7 followers on Twitch. Recently. Okay. Maybe I can. Okay, wait, hold on. I want to save space here. Right. File. Settings. Enable. Okay. Yo, why is it inside it? Like, what the heck? Okay. Let's do this. So the idea I had for this game was called Pixel Car Drift Race, and basically it's a very advanced thing. So I want to get forget the assets. We're just gonna use squares. I don't care. Okay, so we're in the editor now, and Unity's doing its thing. Okay. Okay. I gotta Google another thing. Gizmos menu at the... Where's the Gizmos menu? Unity, icon, size, slider bar. Somewhere in the settings. Okay, how to find Gizmo settings. Click the Gizmos button in the toolbar of the scene view or the game view. Ah, here we go. Okay, there we go. That's better. Okay. Got this. Ah, we got our square. Okay, we got our square. Now what are we gonna do with this square? We're gonna rename this square to Pixel Car. We just want the Pixel car to move with the controls. That's the thing I want to get down tonight, is to get the controls down. I can change the background color. I'm gonna change it to black. You know what? Let's just create another square. Create empty. We're gonna name this car based car runs. And we'll name this Pixel Car.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms
So that's the Y. Let's set the Y. Let's set the Y to 1. 1.8. 0.6. So this is scale. And let's just set it to 0.6. 0.6 square. Then we want Y position to be 0. Right, and then you can set it on like another layer, right?
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
Oh, layer doesn't even change it?
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Oh, you have to change the Z position, that's probably it. So we'll say 0 is... We'll say car base is at 0.
And we'll grow in number.
Car base 0.
See the horizon.
And then we'll set this link, because link is this one. Really? How do I change the position of the... You have to save it. I don't know why it won't go to behind it. If I set it to a positive number. Oh, it is positive. Okay, that's just really trippy. Yeah, it's really trippy. That's stupid. I'm gonna set this to like blue. It's gonna look like a little piggy for now, but that's okay. So we got our parent. Let's rename this to... That's just stupid. Let's just delete this. Hello, Cotton and Candy. Oh, it's still on that? Yo, I need the subscriber count. Okay. I don't... Why is Unity taking so long to update? What is this? You done yet? 58, 59? Bro, I don't know what to think. Oh. Is that it? Just have to press reload? Bro, what? Okay, now it's actually loading, finally. Okay, thank you. Now we'll go to Pixel Car, add component, new script. I haven't even thought about what the controls are gonna be. I've got this little piggy here. I might change the song. Cotton and Candy, that thing on the screen is supposed to be a car for this new game idea I had. This isn't going to be the game idea I'm going to use for the jam because I don't know what the theme is yet. So I have to wait for the jam to start. Jam actually lasts 2 weeks, which is very interesting. Usually it's a lot shorter, I think. But, yeah, I know it looks like a piggy right now. It's not really a car. But it's going to be an arcade game. You basically, there's no shooting, but you have to, like, drift and stuff properly, and then, you, like, collide into enemies, and you have to, like, avoid certain ones, too. Bro, what is going on here? Okay. Now I need to think about what the controls are gonna be. Playing WSD or arrow keys, both. I'm gonna do WSD. I feel like mouse pointer for item usage would be a lot more convenient than having to use your fingers for it. WSD isn't really a joystick. You could say W to go forward, S to brake, and then A and D to turn. And then mouse clicks for like special actions. Or like spacebar. I'm really thinking about this. Thank you, Cotton and Candy. I did the double red. Hey, wow, I got a sub. Let's go. Did I really get a sub? I'm genuinely curious. Oh wow, I did. Someone subbed. I wonder who. There it is. Okay. Alright. Controls. And I completely forgot how to code. I think it's input.keycode. So I think if. Here, I'll pull up my code. If input dot oh, it's get key down. Okay, get PM. Key code dot W. Oh wait, hold on. This is the vertical bars are for OR, right? Where do I find up arrow? Oh, it's just up arrow. I'll put little comments here. This is accelerate W slash up arrow to accelerate. Please tell me I spelled that right. Yeah, I spelled that right. Okay, good. If you're facing up and you press A, it should turn you this way. So that's counterclockwise. Space these out a little bit. Make it look nice. What? Let's take the position here. Set to 0, 0. Right there, maybe? Okay. feel like I could do all this. But there's also a built-in physics system in Unity, so do I use the built-in physics system, or do I just create variables to do it? Oh, message. Let me look up. I view that as my player, and I can move with WSD. Also rotate QE. When I rotate the oh, there's a dot forward. So I can use transform.forward. Transform.position. Transform.position plus equals transform.forward. Okay. Please transform that position. I gotta define a variable here. We're gonna make a variable called car. Wait, right, we gotta make it a float. Let's go public float car speed equals like 4? I don't know. And then we'll just multiply this by car speed. Multiply by time dot delta. Okay. Is my storage space really that low? Let's check it again. Bro, I don't know how this is using up so much storage. It's probably fine. Hopefully I don't run into the same problem I did yesterday with my storage. Yeah, there's no transform to backward. Let's just save this for now and see how it works. This should make our car move forward and backward. Although it won't have any, like, acceleration, deceleration shenanigans. It'll just go straight up forward or backward. Okay. Now it's updating. Here, I'm gonna show you on OBS. On stream. I can't with the song. Alright, let's run it. W and S, also test arrow keys. Oh, I never even gave it a rigid body, did I? Whoops. Let me just assign that real quick. Let's just remove components and then drag in this one. Okay, now let's run it. Bruh, what? That's not cool. Come on. Right, I never really specified that. I could give it a rigid body. Should probably give it a rigid body. Okay, and then we'll define a rigid body in the code. Public rigid body 2D. The rigid body 2D. Okay, and then we'll just do the rigid body 2D. The rigid body 2D. You know what? I bet it'll have built-in, or maybe it will. I don't know if it automatic. I don't think it would automatically add the acceleration. I think that's something you have to toggle or like modify the settings of. But yeah, I just forgot to give it a rigid body. What's the chat saying? Yo, hello, Burger. How are we doing, chat? I'm jealous he's getting better fast. Thank you very much. Yeah. I'm just good at the creative part. I might get stuck on a really stupid bug or something. Let's run it. Okay. Oh, and it dropped. Oh, and we got an unsigned reference exception. Oh, whoops, I forgot to assign it. Whoopsies. Okay, let's just drag that in. That should fix that. The gravity though. Let's just toggle off. Where's the gravity setting? Yo, where's the gravity setting? Gravity scale 0, maybe? Wait. What? I gotta look that up now. How to disable gravity on rigid body 2D Unity. Disable gravity on rigid body. Can we set the gravity scale property to 0? You sure about that? That seems very finicky. I guess the AI... Maybe the AI is right, you know? Maybe...
It's never too late to admit when you're wrong. Turn a new leaf, see a new dawn. The time to decide has come and gone. Just give me a chance, we can carry on.
Why is the Z-axis changing? It's not even smooth, it's in increments. I have to press it every time. Oh man, I might have to use the actual built-in inputs. That's really stupid. Okay, let's see. How to make movement smooth in Unity. Linear interpolation? Hold on, chat. I gotta pause this.
So, in video games, it is one thing for your game to function properly, but your feature working in style is also very important. For example, look at this moving cube. This cube ain't slaying. So to apply some drip to how the cube is moving, we will use linear interpolation. The way linear interpolation works is by using this simple equation. All this equation is doing is adding the difference between a and b multiplied by a percentage t to the starting point a. Smoothing has to be applied to the t value in order for the linear interpolation function to properly go from value a to b instead of going from value a to a value that is infinitely close to b. What I mean by going infinitely close to b is doing this. This code here makes it to where the affected transform will never reach the target position, because the t value being passed in is never 1. When thinking in the equation provided earlier, the full difference between the start and target is never being added, thus leading to the resultant becoming infinitely closer to the target. Think of this like a vertical asymptote in a rational function. So with all that in mind, how do we apply smoothing to the t value in order to properly smooth and the other back and forth? To see you all in my video, like and subscribe, and I hope to see you all in my next video.
I don't know what that... Smooth movement in Unity's input system.
When new transactions add up, you'll want an extra hand with bookkeeping. Automate your income and expense.
Today I'm going to show you how to smooth values in the new input system. So for example, usually when you press a key on the keyboard, it returns either 0 or 1, but let's say for your character you want to smoothly interpolate between your input so that you can smooth out either the movement or the animation. For example, if I start running, you'll see that it'll start off slowly and then go into a full sprint. and this is because we are interpolating manually in the code. So unfortunately, the new input system does not have a way to directly do this like the old one. For example, in the old one, you can just call getAxis, and even if you're on your keyboard, it will kind of interpolate the value for you. So
I'm not trying to figure out interpolation though. I just want it to not go when I move it. I just want it to go smooth like that. Smooth 2D move.
Hi
Smooth
guys!
2D movement.
Today we're going to look at how to improve movement when using the new input system and not have it start and stop so suddenly. We'll start with this scene that has an object that responds to player input and moves around the scene. We created this in the first video of our 2D top-down shooter series, so take a look if you want to know how it was done. Alternatively, you can download this project by supporting us on Patreon. Hi guys! Today we're going to have a quick look at a new series that will show you enemy species will provide an experienced Unity. A big thank you to all our patrons. We really appreciate you helping to support the channel. If you'd like to help and also get access. Hi guys! Today we're going to look at how to respond to player input and make a top-down 2D character move around the scene. This is the first video in our series showing how to make a full top.
Multiply the speed by time dot. I already have time dot delta time though. I'm just trying to make it so, because I still have to press it every time for it to move. If I want to move forward, I have to go W and then W again, W again, W again, W again. But I want to just hold W and then go smoothly.
Top-down 2D shooter game.
Like, is there a way to do that without using the built-in like getAxis phantomajig?
Okay, let's get started by opening Unity Hub. We'll click New Project and select the 2D URP template. This will give us an empty project, configured with everything we need to create a 2D game. We'll give the project a name of 2D Top-Down Shooter. Then we'll click Create Project. It will take a while to create the project, but once it's finished, Unity will open up. For those of you not familiar with Unity, we'll do a quick overview of the main elements of the UI. The main panel shows us the view of the scene being edited. Using the tabs at the top, we can switch between scene view and game view.
Okay, this is very slow. Player movement, here we go.
We now have a hexagon visible in the scene to represent the player.
Yep.
The next thing we'll look at is how to make the player move. If we change the transform position X value in the inspector, we can see that the player moves left and right. If we change the Y value, we can see the player moves up and down. We want to be able to control these movements based on input from the player. To do this, we'll need a few more components. Let's click the Add Component button again and search for Rigid Body 2D. This adds various settings and puts the movement of the object under the control of Unity's physics system. To demonstrate this, let's press the play button to start the game. We can see the player now falls and disappears off the bottom of the screen. This is because gravity is now change this. As this row, gravity has no effect to make the player move. Section of the project panel. We'll add some more subs folder. All this, add one the plus button folder structure. Then we're going to assign this script to the player. Search for script. We can the object. Use of Unity will component method. These fixed called in. This is a vector 2 value which has two parameters, one for x and one for y. We'll set x to 1 and y to 0.5. This is saying we want the object to move at a speed of 1 unit per second on the x-axis, which is left and right, and 0.5 units per second on the y-axis, which is up and down. Let's save this script and switch back to Unity. We'll press the play button to try it out. We can see the player now moves across the screen. The next stage is to allow back to Unity.
Oh no.
Install the new input system that Unity
Install?
recommends to
Okay.
use over the
Okay.
default system. We'll stop the game and select
Okay.
Window, Package Manager from the main menu. Then from the
You know what you know what this is like? It's like this meme. This meme right here, you see this? Hold on, just pull this. Let me just open this. It's like this meme right here. It's like me. I wanna just be able to like write the controls right in the code. And then like Unity is like, no, you should use our new system. You should use our new system with the thing. But then you have to do in a few extra clicks to do it. So you can't really see it. And you might forget. And I'm like, yes, dear. That's what it feels like. Because otherwise it doesn't move smoothly. I don't know what to say. Can you see the code? Yeah. Yeah. Here, let me change OBS. See, I've got these if input.key code statements, and I want it to be so when I hold the key down, it'll move smoothly with it, not in like increments every time I press the key. That helps, Burger. Because I don't know, it's just like, is it the if statements? Because it's like, is there like an extra like, hey, Cotton and Candy, hey, I'm really good at drawing. Create my image. Burn them or sell them. Like I'm actually. I should try game sales. Yeah, I totally should. I mean, like, I don't know. If you have a talent, don't waste it, you know? It's like, what use is it if you don't ever apply it? Good for you, though, for being good at art. I'm not very good at art. Yeah, coding is cool. I mean, it definitely takes a lot of. I think coding is a lot of, like, you have to know what you're making, and then you have to have the sort of capacity to sort of come up with solutions. And then you also have to have the willpower to just bang your head against the wall when you run into a bug or multiple bugs. Berg, if you find a solution, let me know. It's just every time I press it, it just does it like that. Like, I'm gonna look this up. Yeah, I get it. You might just have, I think it's the meme. I think you have to just use the thing. Also, everyone family can draw some nothing special. Well, I mean, that's if you compare yourself to other people. Like, okay, I'm guilty of doing that too, but like, I think you have to compare. If you're gonna compare yourself to other people, you should compare yourself to like if okay, it's all about intent. If you're comparing yourself to the best people, that should be because you want to be like them, and it should be a motivator to do better. But like, if you're comparing yourself to other people for the sake of like personal validation, like for me personally, I've just sort of realized this tough truth that like you can't really rely on external factors for validation. You have to work internally, you know. But I mean, you know, if you're going to compare yourself to others, just keep in mind the general populace. Like, keep in mind the bell curve of general skill of people and averages. You're probably, yeah, if you're good at art, even if like your whole family is as good or even maybe better than you, not saying they are, but hypothetically, you know, like, just keep in mind that there are so many people who are just bad at art out there. So it's a very important skill to have. Hmm. Yeah, art is really important. Yeah. You could you could make a portfolio out of the scrapbooks, you know. Just take some pictures. You could just take a picture of like your big stack of scrapbooks. Be like, this is how good I am at art, and then like everyone will hire you or something. Or I don't know what you want to do with that talent, but you know. That's crazy, Berg. That's crazy. Anyway, uh, I gotta figure out um how to make how to key code on hold Unity. Okay, let me read this. Oh, get key down only runs once on the first frame that the key was pressed. Get key up only runs on the frame that the key was released. Get key runs continuously to check if a key was currently pressed or not. So I could just replace it with get key instead of get key down in the code, and maybe, just maybe, it'll work. If this actually works, I'm gonna be happy. File, save assets. You'll want to see this crazy solution. Look at this. Get key down only runs once on the first frame. Get key up when it was or when get key down is on the frame key is pressed. Get key up on the key and get key runs continuously so you can hold. It's genius. I'm so glad that exists. Oh yeah, I hope it works. Okay, Unity's got to update. I saved it, I'm pretty sure, right? Please. Please. Okay. Okay, good. Sorry. Okay, now I can try, or it's gonna update again once we try to run it, but yeah, reloading domain. Once it does do it, I hope it works. Okay. Okay, wait. So it's only updating the z-axis, but it's updating it smoothly. It's updating it smoothly. So maybe I have to just change the rotation. So if I go into 3D view, right? Now I gotta look up how to check which direction something's facing. Hi, Koijin. Man, I gotta look this up. Okay. Okay, this is very convenient. This is very convenient. How to check, um, how to check direction of object in Unity scene view. Use a scene gizmo located in the top right corner. Um, what? Am I silly? Which direction is this facing? Is there an intuitive way I can just figure out which direction this object is facing? Oh, I can just check the red arrow for the forward direction. That's convenient. Okay. But how come if it's forward, then why is it moving in the z-axis when I run it? Should not be moving in the z-axis. So what's going on? Because when I press W, like I don't know if you can see this, but the on the transform, the Z position is the only one changing. When I think it should be like what? Because it says the red arrow is the forward. Chat got any answers? Who else is ambitious but lazy? Try switching transform to forward. I don't know. That's just what the AI. It's the AI thing, the AI overview. Green arrow indicates the object's right direction. Blue arrow indicates the upward direction. Red arrow is the forward direction. I don't know. I don't know about that one. Okay, let's see here. Oh my gosh. All these things on the internet, they like come up with these answers and then I'll click them because they look like they answer my question and then they answer a completely different question. I don't think transform.right is a thing because I tried transform.back or backward and that didn't work. Well, I can check. Let's try transform dot right. Forward? Oh wait, that's capitalized. Hold on. Let's do. Oh, it's right. It's transform dot position. No, transform. No, wait. Warmed up position. Let's say plus equals transform dot right. Oh, it does exist. You're right. There is a transform dot right. That's interesting. I'm a silly goose. I hear like philosophical literature. I don't really read much. I should really read more. Yeah. I'm pretty much the same as Burger here. Okay. I don't know why. I don't know why. I don't know why. I don't know why. Like, oh, that's trippy. Wait a minute. Wait. Okay, wait. So Z is back, right? And then Y is up. And X is along. Right. Okay. All right. I should probably switch the view. It's like, it's just, no. I think it's the Z rotation. Yeah, it's the Z rotation. Let's set it to like 90 on the game view. Go in 2D. Change the position of this. Set X to like 0. Y to 1. Okay. This is a bit clearer, but it still needs to move. This chat is funny. Wait, but I thought it was relative to its rotation though, because that's the whole point of why I used it in the first place. Bigger nerd. Yeah. It's moving along the Z, but I think it's just I think it's the what? Is it the rigid body? It can't be the rigid body though, because that has nothing to do with the transform. I don't know. Oh, you know what it probably is? It's probably because it's in 2D mode, which is really weird. Maybe I can just use a different transform, like transform.right or something, and then it'll just do it the correct way. Because the way it is now, I think I'd have to actually change the rotation of the change the rotation of the transform in order for the forward to work. Because then, but then if I do that, then it looks weird because then it looks weird on the 2D view. So then either that or I'd have to change the entire scene and rotate the whole thing so that it goes correctly. I think I have to just do like dot right or something stupid. Let's try. Let's just play around and see what happens. You said it was still moving? Wait, hold on. I don't Yeah, it was still moving along the Z-axis, so you can't see it in the 2D view. It's busy compiling. Okay. Now let's try running this. Oh, it works! Let's go! Transform.right worked for some reason. Transform.right just totally worked. You see that? You can't use transform.forward because it goes in the z-axis. So I tried right because of the rotation and it worked. It's so convoluted, but it works. Because I mean, like, what are my other solutions? Either like I rotate the whole scene in 3D so that it has the proper rotation, or like what is it? Like I don't use transform dot, or like I don't know, like yeah, somehow that works, I guess. Yippee. Okay, now all right. Because it's so convoluted though, I'm gonna leave a little comment on it. Right equals forward because weird. Right. In quotations. Oh, right. I should probably. Oh, wait. I thought I was really gonna hate this because, like, I haven't done like any coding in the past 2 days, even though I've been streaming for them. But that was just so I could be there for. Well, no, I really only did like coding for an hour on one of the first days, and on the second day, I basically just played Minecraft with my cousin. Uh, well, my cousins and one friend. But like, this is actually enjoyable. I can like see stuff coming together now. Oh yeah, streaming's fun. I didn't expect it to be this fun, but it's like I have like actually people to talk to. My main problem is that I just don't socialize enough. So like being able to socialize really just helps me in general. Because like the times when I don't socialize, I basically just become a hermit and like stay in my room, like watching YouTube shorts and eating hot Cheetos all day, and then I feel terrible. It's like socializing is really good for me. I think that's why this is so fun. All right. So this works now. Right. I was gonna do the A and D controls for the rotation. We've got like 50 minutes left until the Wi-Fi cuts out. I'm gonna do something very experimental. I have like this hotspot that I use to extend the Wi-Fi. I'm glad my mom hasn't caught on yet, because there's a hotspot on my phone. I mean, unless she's somehow in the very unlikely chance that she's watching this live stream, then uh hi mom, I'm sorry I've been choosing the hotspot. But I don't know if the hotspot is powerful enough to keep the stream going. Um, it might be, I don't know, but we'll see. Because usually Wi-Fi just shuts off at 10 on the dot.
Hey, Spay. Google Fiber Web Pass is expanding in your area, and we're bringing gigabit.
11 swap chain due to device reset removed. Error can happen if you draw very expensive word to GPU. I'm still live, right? Okay. Yo, why does my ratio on OBS look like that? Okay, I'm still live. That's good. You gotta see this, like, come on. Oh man. All right, everyone on stream, I'm just gonna start a new live stream. If you want to go join that, just go to my channel. But I'm gonna restart OBS because, for some reason, the ratio, the aspect ratio of the screen just got shrunk a whole bunch. Also, when I click on the part that's off of it, it'll just click on the parts on it. I'm just gonna reset the stream. So, everyone here, I guess go join my new live stream on YouTube, but I'm gonna end it here. But yeah, just go join my next live stream. Here, I'll even leave a message. I'm gonna restart OBS. So join. So if you want, join next live stream. I'm starting right now. Okay. End stream.